Hey, welcome back. This is part 2 of the video. I am just going to go over some examples of factoring just so we can get some more practice in, and maybe you can benefit a little bit from watching me solve these problems a little bit more. So here are some more examples where we have x squared plus 11x plus 18. Remember, we want to identify what our c value is and then what our b value is. Your c value is always going to be the thing tacked on at the end there without a variable. It's called a constant because it does not change. Variables imply that things change. So this is going to be 18. So we want to think about numbers that multiply to 18. Next, we need to find our b term, our b value, which is 11. Now, I know it probably feels like you should write 11x. We actually just want the number in front of the x. So not 11x, we just want 11. Okay, so I'm looking for numbers that add to 11. Okay, so let's look at our factor sheet. We're looking for numbers that multiply to 18. So we have 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. So I want to think of numbers that multiply to 18, which are these three pairs of numbers, but I need them to add to 11. So you can write this out if you want, or you can just kind of do this with me in your head. 1 plus 18 is 19. 2 plus 9, that's 11. 3 plus 6, that's 9. So the two pairs that work are 2 and 9. So if I were to do 2 times 9, that equals 18. And 11 is equal to 2 plus 9. So our factors are 2 and 9. So again, this is positive 2, positive 9. I'm going to write my answer as x plus 2 times x plus 9. Notice too, I didn't write an x here for multiplication. I don't really like writing x for multiplication because it looks exactly like the variable x. But I think this is just a cleaner way to write it and saves you one extra character to write. So, okay, let's try a new example here. We have x squared plus 13x plus 30. So again, we're looking for our c value. C value here is going to be the number at the end, the constant, which is 30. So I want numbers that multiply to 30. We need to find our b value, which is 13. So these numbers need to add to 13. Ooh, it's purple. I want blue. Okay, so numbers that add to 13. So let's go back and look at our factor sheet. Let's find 30. Let me further down the page. Okay, here's 30. So you have 1 and 30. That's 31 when we add them together. 2 and 15. That's 17. Okay. 3 and 10. When we add those, it's 13. Perfect. And then 5 and 6, those add to 11. So we want 13. So 3 and 10 are our numbers. So 30 is equal to 3 times 10. That's true. And then 13 is 3 plus 10. Okay, beautiful. So our factors are 3 and 10. So again, those are positive. So I'm going to write x plus 3 because it's positive. And then x plus 10. Some of you are probably going to ask, does the order matter, right? Should I write x plus 10 first or x plus 3 first? The order does not matter. So if you want to write 10 first, you totally can. The order does not matter. One final example here. We have x squared plus 14x plus 49. C here is equal to 49. B here is equal to 14. So I want numbers that multiply to 49 but add to 14. So let's go ahead and look at our 49 over here. Wouldn't you have it? We have 1 plus 49. That adds to 50. It's not what we want. And then 7 and 7. Those add to 14. So I get 7 times 7. It's beautiful. It's the same number. 7 plus 7. Okay, so our factors are 7, well, and 7 a second time. So kind of like twins. So you're x plus 7 times x plus 7. And there are 3 examples for you to review and to help you out with today's assignment. So I will see you all soon.